What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle. Welcome back to Angelle's Life. Y'all see the stocking cap? I told y'all I ain't got no wig grip, so y'all already know what time it is. You know what's funny? I actually went to the store to try to get a wig grip, but my local beauty supply store didn't really have any, so here we are. I'm so excited to be recording this video today because it is another collaboration, y'all. We on the up and up. It is with ReadyWigs, and it's funny, I haven't even like taken it out the packaging yet. It came extremely fast. The company reached out to me about collaborating with them, and I said yes. And I picked out this wig. It came really fast. It came in like 5 days, and it came from China, so I was like shocked at how fast it came, knowing that it was coming from China. So I have nothing. The box is a little beat up. I'm trying to take it out. Y'all see, I haven't even taken it out the FedEx packaging yet, so yeah. Box is definitely a little beat up, but it says ReadyWigs right here in the front. And then when you open it up, it says ReadyWig, I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair. www.readywigs.com. Then it also comes with this hair care little card. Says some stuff on there. Basically gives you instructions on how to keep the hair in good condition. And they also on the back side give you their, it looks like their Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So it comes with this little card, and it also comes with a wig cap. Y'all know you can never have enough wig caps, okay? And there's also this little travel size spray bottle. Oh my god, that's so cute. That is so cute and convenient. And then here is the wig here. It doesn't have a name as far as I know. It is a synthetic wig. It's a synthetic curly wig. And this, okay, different. So one, let me grab this. One, I don't have my brush. I have a Y2 comb today because I knew it was a curly wig, and I didn't know if I wanted like my wig brush, so I just grabbed this. I also can't find it, so just throwing it out there. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the specs, y'all. What am I talking about? So they have two combs here on the side. It is a 16 by 13 with a 16 by 13, y'all, 16 by 3 with the lace all across. There is a comb in the back, and then there's the elastic straps in the back as well. So this is what I want to say. Although this is a collaboration video, which means that this hair was sent to me for free by the company, I do really want to point out that this company has great customer service as far as me dealing with them, picking out the wig, getting shipping, and so on and so forth. So I definitely want to give a shout out to the company. First of all, thank you for reaching out to me, but beyond that, the customer service is amazing, so kudos to you. You don't get that often. The hair feels good. Like, even running my hands through it, I'm not really getting shedding, and it just feels good, you know. To say it's a curly wig, you know, sometimes you get synthetic curly wigs and it's like you know, we ain't really getting that with this one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and try her on. I did adjust the straps. I don't know if that's gonna be tight enough, but let's see. Oh no, that's definitely not gonna be tight enough. So right off the bat, it's definitely big head friendly, okay? I have a super duper small head, and that wasn't even remotely tight enough for my little bitty peanut head. So I'm gonna put them as tight as we can. Okay. Now so on the picture it was supposed to be worn as a side part, so we'll do it as a side part. And y'all wait, y'all know I don't have a mirror, but I have a mirror right here, so I'm gonna just go. Oh, she's cute. She's cute, she's cute, she's cute, she's cute. I don't know if I want to like comb through it with the comb or like just finger comb it, but okay. Come on. Now y'all know I've been doing this lately. Let me shift her a little bit and see how we like it in the middle. So me personally, I don't think I like it in the middle so much. There's a lot of flyaways. I don't think I like it in the middle so much. So I'm going to shift it back to the side. Right now, y'all, she's cute. And I don't know what I'm going to... The hair feels nice. The hair feels so nice. But beyond that, I think what I like about it is the fact that the hair looks nice. I feel like a lot of curly wigs has that weird like synthetic sheen on it, and this one doesn't have it so much, and it feels nice. And it's just, oh, y'all, what? Look, this is what we gonna do. I low-key am thinking about plucking the part just a little bit because I would like it a little more defined, I believe. But first of all, I love this color on myself. Like, girl, I'm trying to give you something you can feel, okay? I think I'm gonna I think I may pluck the part just a little bit, maybe. I don't know. What y'all think? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut the lace. We're gonna cut the lace, put it on for real, for real. I'm not gluing it down, y'all. Like, y'all, I'm just not gluing anything down. I don't be having the wigs on long enough to glue anything down, you know? But I'm gonna cut the lace, get it to how I want to, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all, let y'all know what I did, and then let y'all know how I feel about the wig, okay? I'll be back in a second. Alright, y'all, and I'm back like I never left. This is the final look, okay? So on a scale from 1 to 10, y'all know that's how I rate them. I'm gonna have to give it a 9, okay? And I love the color. I love the way that the hair feels, even though I do feel like it's kind of bulky in the front. But you know, I feel like that can be adjusted. Some people might like it bulky in the front, so you know, that's kind of a to each his own thing. I will say that I didn't do much. I put makeup on the part, I cut one baby hair right there, I cut the lace, and that was it. That pretty much was it. So the wig is ready to go, and you know, that's how I like them. You know, the readier it is to go, the more I like it, the better it is for me, okay? The better rating it's gonna get with me. Now what I will say, the reason that it is getting a 9 and not a 10, okay, is because after I cut the lace and I was putting the wig back on, the little elastic straps that have the little hooks on them, both of them broke. Both of them, not one but two, both of them. That's not good. That signals like some type of poor or lazy construction just in that area. So ReadyWigs might want to fix that. But besides that, I do love the wig. I think it is very, very pretty. I think the color is a gorgeous color, especially on dark skin or brown skin. And yeah, I like it. I think it's a nice fall wig. You throw it on with a little hat and you're out the door for the fall, or you wear it like this and you're good to go. Like, you want to know another thing that I like about it? It's different than anything else that I feel like I've tried. It's a cute little short, you know, do wop, boppity bop, and I just like that. Like, come on, I'm in your grill, I'm in your mix, and then I'm not. I'm in your mix, and then I'm not. I'm in your mix. Okay, let me turn around. Let me show y'all the back, and then I'm not. It's okay. Let me show y'all the sides. Okay, yes, I like it. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna leave a link down below to the exact link for the wig, and also just ReadyWig's website. Again, thank you to them for collab. Y'all, sometimes it's just so hard being this beautiful. I'm just playing. Y'all, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Y'all know when I like a wig, I start to feeling myself. You know, I will be feeling myself more, but one, I'm about to go somewhere, so I can't sweat out nothing. And two, it's hot. It's hot up in this room. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below where you guys can purchase this wig. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit me down in the comment section and let me know what y'all think of the wig. Let me know if y'all bought from ReadyWigs before. Let me know if you are gonna buy from ReadyWigs, so on and so forth. I actually also have a coupon code that I will be linking down below. So if you do order from ReadyWigs, you will get a discount because of me. And I will leave that coupon code down below. But I mean, she's just, oh, my earring came out. Oh no, my gauge came out. Oh, it's serious when my gauge comes out. But yeah, you guys, I just like it. I like it a lot. Oh my gosh, I can't find my gauge back. But I like it. I like it. I like it. I love it. Okay, fix those straps though. Ready? Okay, because I can't be out in the streets and somebody snatched my wig off. That's not cute. That's not cute. Anyway, y'all, go follow me on Instagram at angelleslife, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. Tell me I'm not gorgeous.